everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kat. I just moved in with my mother. We're in my room and it's still unorganized, so I'm going to show you some really cool tips for the windows. Now my window, my mom's window, and the kitchen window, you can't hang up curtains because cinder block, which means you can't nail or hang up your curtains. So you have to come up with creative ways of doing it. So this is the kitchen window. So as you can tell, you cannot hang up your curtains. I went from this to this, and I'll show you step by step how to do it. So I bought these at the Dollar Tree. They're window coverings that you can put on your window. And I believe that these were $1.25 to $2 a piece. So for my mom's window, which I had already done, it took me 4 rolls to complete her window. So in the kitchen, I've done the one side, so I'm going to put the window covering on the other side of the window, and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so first what you want to do is to grab your roll. You want to cut it and then open it up, and the instructions are how to use it. Take it out of the package. It'll look like this. And it's big. And then on the back it has little squares that you grab a couple rags. So this one is to clean the window first, and then you dry it off. And then you line it up like this. Take your scissors and just along, and you peel it off like this, just a little bit at a time. Just try your best to get close to the end here. Make sure it's lined up. Because what you want to do is to get the bubbles out. Okay, so there's your first layer. Okay, so once you're satisfied with your window, how it looks, then you can start on the other side. So you just repeat the process like you did before. Okay, so on this side you have just a little bit of window. So the pieces that you want to cut off, take it to the window and then just cut 1/4 inch size, like you would here. And just cut. And then you do 2 of those. Oh, I already cut out 2 pieces for the window. So same thing like you did before. Okay, so it's all done, but I kind of cut it too short along here, so I cut 2 pieces, and then I'll just cover this part. Okay, and you're all done. I want to thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you the next time.